she told me she was a virgin, right? So I was like, you know, I'm gonna respect that, stuff like that too. So I was her, I was her first person that she did it with and stuff like that. And I felt like she was happy. You know, it took me some time to just tell my family and stuff like that, because you never know when.
Hey, this
really
is like
somebody.
This is like if lie is a person or was a person. Is, was, are. Bro, because it seems like this female tell this guy a lot of lie. You understand? Trust me.
However, as we continued to follow the location, it took us to a hotel. The question right now isn't just why is she at the hotel? It's who is she at the hotel with?
Wait, yeah, bro. Samuel, I can't want dog. I want a rat.
What the
Right,
fuck is
I said
going
the
on
catch
right
you
now?
know. Really?
I don't know who this man is.
Are you serious?